Welcome back. Following the Chavan controversy in the state NCP unit, NCP National Secretary Jitendra Deshprabhu was dropped from the State Executive Committee as special invitee by the NCP High Command. General Secretary Tarjan Mello, Ullas Naik and Salim Sheikh are also excluded from the list of new Executive Committee members.
NCP State President Surendra Sirsat along with Central Observer Bharti Chauhan addressed a press conference late night on Wednesday. Bharti Chauhan said that NCP High Command has taken a serious note of the controversy which was triggered by Jitendra Deshprabhu.
Permanent invitee म्हणून जितेंद्र देशप्रभू हांच्या आदल्या समितीन नांव आसलेलें तें नांव ह्या वेळार गाळ्ळेलें आसा. इट इज नॉट इन्क्लुडेड. ज्या वेळेला आमी हे सगळें आमच्या पक्षाध्यक्षा कडेन आदली लिस्ट दिल्लेलें त्या लिस्टान तें नांव आसलेलें आमी धाडलेलें तेन्ना सुरवातीक पण पक्ष श्रेष्ठीने हातींतली 1-2-3 नांवां हे आमच्या परमानंट इन्वायटी बरोबरूच गाळ्ळेलीं आसात.
Sirsat informed that Deshprabhu is being warned by the party high command. In charge of Goa NCP State Affairs, Praful Patel wrote a letter to Deshprabhu to maintain party's discipline. Patel also said in his letter that making unnecessary statements regarding party affairs to media is damaging party's image.
हाची गंभीर अशी दखल आमच्या पक्षाध्यक्षांनी आणि केंद्रीय नेत्यांनी घेतलेली आसा आणि गंभीर दखल घेतल्या उपरांत रोखडेच आमच्या पक्षाध्यक्ष श्री शरद पवार जे हांच्या आदेशा वयल्यान आमचे सरचिटणीस प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल हांणी आमचे राष्ट्रीय चिटणीस श्री जितेंद्र देशप्रभू हांकां एक पत्र बरयलां जाची एक कॉपी ताणें म्हाका दिल्लेली आसा पक्षाध्यक्षा नात्यान प्रदेशाध्यक्षा नात्यान.
It may be recalled that the NCP state unit was in controversy after National Secretary Jitendra Deshprabhu made the allegations against the State Executive Committee and Central Observer Bharti Chauhan for selling the post of State Executive and Assembly tickets. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sarvesh Vayuskar for Prudent Media.
Social activist Devendra Kandolkar has once again pointed out various mistakes in school textbooks. He claims that this is the 5th year he has been pointing out the mistakes. He held dharna outside Education Department and demanded an inquiry into the whole matter. Kandolkar has also threatened to approach the court if government fails to rectify the mistakes.
Devendra Kandolkar, a social activist, held a dharna at the Education Department on Thursday. He says that there are many mistakes in various textbooks of schools. He claimed that this is the 5th consecutive year that he is highlighting these mistakes. There are 500 mistakes in Parisar Abhyas of 4th standard. He has also highlighted that there is some wrong information mentioned in Supplement History of Goa of 8th standard. Here, Kandolkar was highlighting yet another mistake in 5th standard Hindi textbook.
या पुस्तकाच्या पहिल्या पानावर सांगता है हांगासर शुरुआती कि संविधान का पालन करें और उसके आदर्शों संस्थाओं राष्ट्रध्वज और राष्ट्रगान का आदर करें आणि मागीर हांगासर एक कविता दितात ये धरती है बलिदान की आणि हांगासर एका हातीन भारत माता दाखयतात आणि एका विशिष्ट धर्माचो भगवा झेंडो दितात म्हणजे हो सरळ सरळ राष्ट्रध्वजाचो अपमान आसा.
He has demanded immediate inquiry into the whole matter. He has also threatened to go to the court if his demands are not met.
ही चुका कित्याक जाली त्याची चौकशी करचे खातीर एक चौकशी समिती नेमची तर हेचे मूल्यांकन करचे खातीर एक परत समिती नेमची. सरकारान दिवनूय बी चुकीचे पुस्तक छापले तर तेका जे दोशी आसात त्यांची कारवाई जावची.
We also spoke with the Deputy Director of Education, Anil Pawar, but he refused to comment. Our reporter from Panji Devidas Kamri with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
An illegal shop has been built on open space at the new MMC market complex at Wasco. The neighboring shop vendors claim that the construction was carried out late on Sunday night. However, top municipality officials seem unaware about the illegality.
This is the shop that is built at open space in the new MMC market complex at Wasco. Neighboring shopkeepers claim that the shops were built late night on Sunday. However, they are unaware whether the shop is permitted by the Murgaon municipality or no.
हांगा ओपन आसले प्लेस
ओपन स्पेस असलेली
हय
कोणे बांधला बीन कितें खबर आहा
ना
दिसाचें काम केला काय रातचें काम केला
रातचें.
रातचें
एरिया काय खबर ना
कोणे बांधला बीन कितें खबर आहा तुमकां
खबर ना
केन्ना बांधला ते
अशें आयतारचे रातचे
आयतारा रातचे पूण तुमकां कितें खबर आहा हेजें म्युनिसिपालिटी कडच्यान परमिशन बीन कितें
आमकां कांयच खबर ना
We spoke with the Chief Officer of Murgaon Municipality, Meghnad Porob, and Chairperson Suchita Shirodkar. Both seemed unaware about the matter. Surprisingly, they were not sure whether they will demolish it if it is found illegal.
एक राती भितर थंयसर एक शॉप बांधलेलें आसा ते तुमच्या नजरेक हाडून आतां दाखयलेलें आसा कितें म्युनिसिपालिटी कारवाई करतली ह्या हेजेर
No, they are inspect करतले and then after that we will decide what action to be initiated.
जर ते तुमी परमिशन दिवंक ना इलिगल आसा जाल्यार डॅमोलिश करतले काय कितें
No, that will be decided after receiving report from technical section.
आतां सध्या ते आतां थंयसर शॉप बांधलेलें आसा ते तुमी मोडटले काय कितें
हय टायम पडल्यार करचेच पडटले तशें
टायम पडल्यार म्हणजे कितें
सपोज जर ते आमच्या हितूर बसना जाल्यार मागीर पळोवपाक जाय कितें जाता तें.
म्हणजे सध्या आता जे इलिगल बांधलेले आसा तुमचे परमिशन बीन काय ना तेका
पळोवचें पडटलें तें
तुमकां खबर ना ते बांधला ते बीन
ना कांय खबर ना
Sources say that the shop is allotted to a minor handicapped girl, Simran Sheikh. Sources also say that the father of minor is a supporter of Chairperson Suchita Shirodkar.
मुरगांव नगरपालिकेचो हो आसा मॉडर्न मार्केट प्रकल्प ह्या मॉडर्न मार्केट प्रकल्पान हांगसर ही ओपन स्पेस सांडलेली आसलेली ह्या ओपन स्पेसीचेर हांगसर एका राती भितर हांगसर एक शॉप उबें जाल्लें आसा दुकान उबें जाल्लें आसा म्युनिसिपालिटीक विचारलें जाल्यार ते कानार केस काडटा आपल्याक कांयच खबर नासलेल्या भशेन 200 मिटराचेर हांगसरल्यान म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा आनी हांगसर इल्लिगल हे शॉप येयल्ले आसा ते म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक कळना काय कितें वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.